Hello, and welcome to Science Research Weekly, Season 4, Episode 34. Gotta hand it to the microbes. Get ready for Martian mudstone biosignatures, a wide-ranging dwarf planet candidate, mapping mammoth microbes, ice-gliding diatoms, extrachromosomal Inocles of the oral microbiome, DNA sequence alignment from scratch in R, and an invitation to check out Science Spotlight. This episode covers material from September 5th to September 11th. Let's get started with some research articles. First up, Redox-driven mineral and organic associations in Jezero Crater, Mars. Exploration of Martian mudstone and conglomerate rock was done by the Perseverance rover, and it's turned up potential biosignatures in the form of organic carbon that may have been part of redox reactions. As the last paragraph of this paper states, in summary, our analysis leads us to conclude that the Bright Angel Formation contains textures, chemical and mineral characteristics, and organic signatures that warrant consideration as potential biosignatures. Next up in the far-flung solar system, we have discovery of a dwarf planet candidate in an extremely wide orbit, 2017 OF201. 2017 OF201 has a current distance of 90.5 astronomical units. For reference, Earth is 1 astronomical unit, and Neptune is 30.1. Its size is estimated at 700 kilometers, so about 1% of Earth's mass, and has a semi-major axis of 838 astronomical units, so really wide orbit. Looks like they were able to detect this through a variety of measurements across a long span of time to get this estimate. All right, let's switch over to our next article. Ancient host-associated microbes obtained from mammoth remains. Scientists analyzed microbial DNA from 438 mammoths spanning a 1 million year period and found actually 6 persistent microbial clades, including a partial genome of Eurycipothrix. Sticking with the microbes, but switching to eukaryotes, we have the article Ice-gliding diatoms establish a record low temperature limits for motility in a eukaryotic cell. Researchers use a custom sub-zero temperature microscope to detect mobile ice diatoms in the Arctic, finding them moving in temperatures as low as -15 Celsius and displaying the ability to glide on ice surfaces. And then our final article for this week is giant extrachromosomal element, Inocle, potentially expands the adaptive capacity of the human oral microbiome. So bacteria can utilize extrachromosomal elements, or ECEs. Researchers found a new family of these ECEs from microbes found in human saliva samples. They call those new ECEs Inocles, and they are giant plasmid-like circular genetic elements 395 kilobases long. Inocles encode genes for things like stress tolerance and cell wall biosynthesis, suggesting that they help boost the adapted capacity of bacteria in the oral microbiome. Let's switch to our research tools. There are 2 R bloggers posts for today. The first from R exams, create and managing Canvas quizzes with R/exams and VV Canvas, which might be interested if you're interested in creating exams. And then the second one from R on Every Day is a School Day. That's by Ken Kun Wong. Building DNA sequence alignment with Needleman-Wunsch algorithm from scratch, a note to myself. Yet another entry in a great series on understanding bioinformatics by trying it out on from scratch, trying it out on your own without having any formal background. So that's very interesting. get at them nuts and bolts of what's going on under the hood. All right, there are 6 new CRAN packages that might be of interest. There's Factor H, multi-factor non-parametric rank-based ANOVA with post-hoc tests, iVolcano, interactive volcano plots, Rexoplanets, create interface with NASA Exoplanet Archive API, PMSE sampling, sample size determination for accurate predictive linear regression, mini PDF document creator, and Power for MOME, power analysis for moderation and mediation. Well, there's no new grants for now, so why not take this extra time to like and subscribe. Also, if you like more science on a less time-sensitive schedule, why not check out my ongoing series on YouTube, Science Spotlight. I've already got up topics on dark matter, functional precision cancer therapy, metal organic frameworks, upper atmospheric biota, and chronic inflammatory response syndrome. You might find things of use there. Microbes by the millions. Thanks for joining me for Science Research Weekly. Science on.